Okay, so here's a quick video on how to insert your Excel charts and graphs into our forum. So once you have it made, if you click outside, it's not, right? But if I click inside the graph, I get my dots. So when I right click, I'm going to choose Save As Picture, and I'm just going to throw it over here on my desktop so that's easy for me to find. And then when I go into the forum, I choose in the second row this images, and if my file is open, I can just drop it in there if I want to, just drag and drop. Or if you click on the rocket, it will allow you to, now it's just being difficult, it will allow you to grab the picture that you want and put in there. And then we just hit submit. Give it a minute. It might come in too big, but if you click again inside the graph, notice I get the ability to change the size of the graph. And then we just hit post.